Alright guys, so today I'm going to do a review of your Leatherman Wave Plus. Here's the box for it. I got it a couple months back. I'm going to show you the stuff that it comes with. There's your nylon sheath with button. It's not Velcro like the old ones, so I kind of like this better. You have the knife itself. And then the manual for your Leatherman. Here's the knife, here's the blade that it comes with. It's a very, very sharp knife out of the box. Like I said, I've used it for a couple months and haven't actually had to sharpen in it. On that side there's the knife. On this side is a file. You got your fine file and your coarse. On this side is your serrated edge, which is very, very sharp. Then on this side you have your saw, which I've used actually quite a bit, and it's sharp as well. As you open it up here, you can see there's a very fine needle nose point, and the blades are replaceable. As you get on this side of it, here's your inner tools, and they all lock in place. Here you have the scissors, large flathead screwdriver, and then the small screwdriver. See if it'll get into focus. There's your Phillips, and you pull this out, and it has the flathead, which is handy for the fine tasks. Then you flip the knife over. You have this screwdriver set, which is your larger Phillips, and then your flathead. And these are just bit kits. You can buy these separately. You can see mine has a lot of use just in the couple months that I've had it. And the last tool on this side is your can opener, which this notch here, not a lot of people know, but it's a wire stripper. Here's another look on the outside of the knife. I'm going to show you how the locking mechanism works. This piece right here comes up and locks. You just got to press down here to close it. But I did not like carrying it on my belt, so I bought the pocket clip set by Leatherman, and this is how I carry it. And I'll show you how to install it. This is just the ring you could use, put a carabiner through. This is the one I use. This is just the pocket clip. So what you do is you open your knife up here and you press on the lever that will unlock your blades. And right here in this hole, it's on one of these sides. Oops, sorry. Here it is. There's a groove here. Press down your unlocker and you put it in. Then your pocket clip's on. But this knife is a very good knife, very tough, lifetime warranty on it, and I'll probably use it until it breaks, and I'll buy another one. This is all for now. Thank you for watching Cobb's Family Outdoors.